Hi viewers, welcome to Crickpanth YouTube channel. See Steve Smith pictures. He looks very innocent, right? Yes, he is always very innocent when cameras on. If he knows that cameras are watching him and he will behave like Hollywood actor and he will be very innocent. If cameras is not watching, he will show his real face. My words are very harsh on him, right? Yes, it's very harsh. So we can't use these words and for a talented batsman. But this is not the first time. A second time we are looking him with these type of controversies and this type of brain fade moments. This is the third time. Yeah, let's see one by one what all controversies he was involved. First brain fade moment. India versus Australia, second test, fourth day in Bangalore. When he got hit to the pad, umpire given out. Then he looked his colleague who is in the runner's end. He suggested to check with their coaching staff and Australia captain Steve Smith. They looked at his coaching staff, but it actually player have to take a decision within 15 seconds. Why he should not look at his coaching staff has a flexibility to watch in a match or laptop, and they can replay and they can suggest to the player he will go for RS or not. This is clearly violating the ICC rules. Virat Kohli clearly opposed this and he complained to the umpires and he said it was happened at twice or thrice. After the match, in press conference, Australian skipper said it was a brain fade and I should not have done that. And he said it was a first time. What is brain fade? Can we call it as cheating? Brain fade define temporary inability to think clearly. It means at that moment he is not able to think clearly, so that's why he have done that. Otherwise he will not do. So sometimes we also face this and we say that I have gone my mind, I have done that. Steve Smith also said that same and he is not able to think that time and he have done it the first time. Brain fade movement 2.0. Australia versus South Africa third test, third day, match is going on, and Australia was behind South Africa, so they want to change the ball movement. So they have decided to change the ball structure using the sandpaper. So we will call it as a Australian ball tampering scandal, and its famous name was Sandpaper Gate. It is actually done by Bencroft and in the later we came to know that and Steve Smith also said in the press meet it was Australian leadership took the decision so Bencroft executed. So who is there in Australian leadership? Names were not revealed who are there in the leadership board, but it was happened on the field. So Captain Steve Smith and Vice Captain Warner have to take the responsibility along with Bencroft. Actually, Bencroft have done that, but it was supported by Smith and Warner. And without knowing Smith, it was not be done because he is the captain of Australia, and he have decided who have to do and how to do. And they have selected a Bencroft because he is a young player and recently selected. So they chose Bencroft and they asked him to do that. This time, Australian skipper Steve Smith said it was not his decision, it was Australian leadership decision. So, since he was a captain and Warner is a vice captain, they are taking the responsibility. So, Cricket Australia was banned Steve Smith and Warner 12 months, and Bencroft was banned for 9 months. After that, Smith was replaced by Tim Paine as a Test captain and Aaron Finch as a T20 and ODI captain. After the ban, Steve Smith was in a press meet. He cried a lot and he said he needs some respect and he will never involve these type of controversies again. But Smith was involved again. Brain fade 3.0. Australia versus India third test, fifth day. India is supposed to chase 407 runs and India is going very well. And especially Rishabh Pant was playing very well before tea break. After the tea break, Smith returns to the ground and he removed Rishabh Pant, existing guard of the crease. So, and we don't know that what the intention of Smith, but if the existing batsman, if you remove the guard of the crease and he have to draw a new line, it will disturb his current flow. When Punt came back to the crease and his line was removed, and he draw a new line and he started batting. But that complete thing was recorded in a video, and it came out and it became a viral. Based on this video, we can't decide Smith intention was, but the question was why Smith doing while India is batting. So what is the required? And if but the Smith also denied these remarks. He said it is his habit that he always mark in a center, but he have that habit. But why did that while India is batting? The three controversies that Smith was involved, Brentford and Sandpaper and scupping out batsman Mark doing drinks break, and I'm leaving to you guys. You have to decide Smith was innocent or he's not doing any intentionally, or it was happening by in the way. So I'll just let me know like what you're thinking and in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.